Alright, everybody. Hello, turn 6. Let's see what we got. Alright, here's our god at work. King. This should be a pretty easy battle for her. So yeah, she's gonna regenerate. Speed this up a little bit. She's out of range of the false feathers, so she's just firing off some fireflies. Okay, so against those enemies we could probably actually wait another turn. But she's gonna go and beat up some of these commanders. She's getting hit a couple times, but you see because of the Vine Shield, she's not actually gonna take any damage. And as a result, and whatever chip damage she takes, she's just gonna regenerate through that. So eventually she is gonna go ahead and take all these guys down. We can speed this up some further. Additionally, every time she kills someone, they take morale checks, and eventually the rest of them are going to run away. So you see that provinces like this, she can solo no problem. Heavy infantry are not an issue. Interestingly, she actually took... Oh no, she did damage to someone else. That wasn't a big hit to her. Alright, that's the end of those guys. Then in the sinks, took some casualties against the lizards, but we were still ultimately successful. Let's see how that went. They're going to curse us, as lizards do. So the stats on the lizards are nothing to write home about. But because they're shamans who fire off curses, that is why you don't want to send someone important into fight. Because that curse is going to stick with you forever. Oh, wow. These lizards put a hurting on the guys on the right. That's unfortunate. I mean, they're going to get themselves smitten. Yep. And that's all she wrote. It's actually kind of a close one, with the lizards closing in on that one flank. If they had gotten to the prophet, things might have turned out differently. Alright. So that's it for notifications. No events. That's kind of unfortunate. This expansion party is not actually doing that hot. They're about the same strength as the beginning of the game, but these archers can be easily taken down, so let's go ahead and do that. Deer Tribe. That province does not have a lot of income. I want to save this province for our third expansion party. At some point we'll send our god in to grab this throne, but I don't like our odds on this turn. So let's go ahead and send her over here. This guy, he can go ahead and get started on our palisades. We're definitely going to want one here, palisades that is. That's a perfect choke point. Still haven't found anybody. We'll be able to recruit lizard shamans here, which lizard shamans aren't actually great for us. They've got enough hit points and protection to survive earthquakes more than our sun priests. That's nice, but it's more just other people don't have them. We're not earning enough money to be able to build a temple here next turn, which is fine. Let's go ahead and leave the archers at home and build some more of those guys. 2 turns of recruitment and we should be able to grab ourselves Dragonport here with our third expansion. Our god can probably actually take on these heavy cavalry, but we can slow that down a second. Okay, mercenaries, who do we have? Renegade Chief. Prefer to stick with the bird in the hand in terms of this recruitment as opposed to going for the mercenaries. Other people can bid those up, that's fine. Research, making some progress on alteration. Alteration 2 will be helpful for our god survivability, just because she can go ahead and enlarge herself, which will get her 30% more HP. Right now she's getting an HP bonus because of our Dominion, and with her being size 3, relatively small, HP matters quite a bit to her, more than to most expanding awake super combatants. So, let's see, we still can't recruit a scout. That's the next thing we're going to be looking for. Hopefully this province lets us recruit scouts, but we'll see. So, that's it for turn 6. See you in turn 7.